They were at the junkyard. Thinking about grabbing this radiator right here. Got me an airbag. Mainly, I came here looking for a transmission, but I think I'm just gonna do the service myself. This isn't good, but it is the automatic I'm looking for. Maybe we'll come back to that later. We're looking for this right here. All right, so we picked up a radiator and an airbag from the junkyard. So I'm gonna put on my OEM steering wheel because I'm gonna be honest, I miss it. I think this quick release is cool and all, but I want an airbag because my seatbelt doesn't work. Could have grabbed one from the junkyard too. I didn't think about it up until I left. The major issue is my transmission and it's shifting horribly, or it just slips out of gear. It's common on the 5R55S. So what I'm gonna do is, since it's already shifting horribly, I'm gonna go and replace my filter, my gasket, and put in new fluid from the pan. I'm not gonna flush it. That's the last thing you want to do.